guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Simply Kiara, and for this video I'll be showing you how to do the bubble ponytail. So first thing I did was I had a simple style on my head for a week with little products, so I just took that out instead of rewashing it and went from there. First thing I'm going to do is spray some Jamaican castor oil water on my hair to soften it up, and then we'll go from there. The main two products I used for this hairstyle was Olive Oil Eco Styling Gel and Style Factor Edge Booster. The first thing I'm going to go ahead and apply on my hair is the Olive Oil Eco Gel, just to smooth it down and allow me to pull it back to the location I want the ponytail to be at. For me, it's easier to do the ponytail in two sections, so one side at a time. But if you feel like you can do both sides at one time, then do you. Y'all, please make sure you get your kitchen area. If you don't know what that means, that's the back of your neck. You don't want that looking crazy with the top looking smooth. And of course, after applying the amount of gel we want, we're going to go ahead and smooth that out with a brush. After getting my hair smoothed out enough, I will go ahead and put the ponytail in, and then I'll go back over the top of the ponytail and add more gel and smooth it out further. Now for the other side, we're going to do the exact same thing. Only difference is when I go pull it back in the ponytail, I'll take the first ponytail out and put it all together as one ponytail. After checking the location of my ponytail, I'm going to go ahead and put my hair in a bun, and I'll just add a little gel to areas that need it and then smooth over and make sure everything is in place how I would like it. Now I'm going to add my scarf and make sure everything stays smooth and flat while I start my bubble ponytail. For the bubble ponytail, the type of hair I will be using is Xpression Twist Up Butterfly Locks, and I only use one pack in 16 inches. forgot to mention it, but the hair I chose to use was a 3-pack. So for the bubble ponytail, I'm going to take one of those pieces and I'm going to use 2 rubber bands to secure that the hair stays together, and then make sure it stays attached to my hair. To add this hair to my hair, I'm going to place the hair over top of my face, and the end with the rubber band, I'm going to grab the curly hair and my bun, and I'm going to use that rubber band to basically put them both in a ponytail. And then I'll go ahead and flip the hair back. That will cover the little curly ends, and it will also cover my bun. And to make sure my hair is full enough how I would like it, I am going to take one more piece and split that in half and add the half how I added the first piece. After all the hair is added, I'll flip the hair back down and just make sure I cannot feel my bun. That way I know it's fully covered. I am going to take one strand of the hair that I will use to wrap around my ponytail at the beginning. That way I can have it look like a smooth transition from my hair to the bubble ponytail. I'm going to use my bun as the start of the first bubble, so I'm going to take the hair and I'm basically going to fill under it and take that rubber band and place it under the bun. Y'all, I will admit it was a struggle with these small rubber bands, so I would recommend getting medium size and up rubber bands. Now I'm just going to look and see where I would like each bubble to start and end, and I'll just add the rubber band in that place. Since my hair is only 16 inches and I know I will want it longer, I'm going to go ahead and take that other half and I'll place it inside the hair and continue to create my bubbles. I know the struggle was real, so I'm going to go ahead and finish creating the rest of the bubbles off camera, and I'll come back and then we'll start to spread out the hair to create the bubble effect. Where I added the extra hair to make the ponytail longer, I will go back and add a few extra rubber bands just to make sure it's tight. To secure the first bubble ponytail, I'm going to take 2 pieces, one from each side. And I'm going to take that first piece of hair that I left out, and I'm basically going to pull it through like a belt loop pull. And then after I pull it through, I'll begin to wrap it around the top of the ponytail. But if you're someone who likes using bobby pins, you can just take hair from that first bubble and basically pin it under your actual bun. Now, when wrapping the hair around your ponytail, you do want to pull as tight as you can to make sure it actually lays flat. Now, to make sure that piece I wrapped around stays flat and in place, it doesn't unravel, I will be using a little got-to-be spray. Now, for the end of the ponytail, I just wanted it to be curly pieces, so I'm going to take some scissors and go ahead and cut all the frizzy pieces out. Now that we are finished with this ponytail, we're going to go ahead and take this scarf off and do these edges. Now let's spray a little bit of got-to-be to make sure this hair stays intact. And guys, we're done. Cute. Okay guys, that wraps up this video. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. When you decide you need someone, when you don't have to